2007 Upper Deck football from Cracking Packs. We got B Money and C Money over here. C Money got his hair did, so he's looking kind of punk rock right now. He's a catcher. You need to catch on your baseball team, fantasy team, whatever. Check out C Money. C Money's kind of shy. He doesn't want to talk right now. It's like, I'm the catcher. I can't talk right now. Alright, fantastic already. Wonderful. Oh, this is 2007 Upper Deck, by the way. Oh, this is a fan. Look at that, David Harris. Can't get that anywhere. Can't. Look at that. Touchdown. Look at that. Fantastic. This is already the best box I've ever opened. Uh-oh, my cards are turning. Look at that. Marion Barber and Antonio Pittman. Star rookie. Look at him. He's all chill. Just sitting there. These are some of the most exciting cards ever. Joe Montana and a Steve Smith. Look at that. You can't get a Joe Montana just anywhere. Unless you try. Did you just say at Target? Well, that's probably true. Brian. Oh!
What you got?
NFL Auto, Jordan Palmer, brother of Carson. Maybe Jordan should be starting right now. Because Carson is hurting Dave's fantasy team.
Yeah, lucky because you said my name.
What are you talking about?
You're like Brian. Oh.
What am I doing?
So you just said Brian and you got to Peyton Manning card.
Oh.
That's bad.
Yeah, Peyton Manning. Who's that guy?
He's the best quarterback.
I only know his brother Carlos.
Oh, great.
Oh, these are fantastic. Oh my gosh. Charles Woodson and a Bobby Meacham. It's worth like $1 million.
Yeah, tassels.
Oh, Kevin Kolb. Look at that. Fantastic.
Jersey.
Quentin Moss.
That's it for the box, right?
This is a hot box. This is 2 memorabilia cards and something. These are fantastic. Oh, Roy Williams. Look at that. And Michael Griffin. You can't just get that anywhere. See money.
Okay.
No.
Walmart.
Walmart, maybe. I feel something good. Oh, there it is. Super Bowl champs predictors. It came true. It came true.
Sure.
They only started the season off 0 for 4 last year. 2 Ray Lewis's. That means this is a hot box. Yes, it is. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Chris Henry and Marshawn Lynch. Quad jersey. Number 2, $1 million.
It's actually pretty nice.
Yeah, see, that's what I'm talking about, dude.
Can I spit on it?
Look at that. Look at that. It's like 18 colors in there. Look at that. I'm telling you, dude, you just get these cards. Reggie Wayne, look at that. And a Patrick Willis. It's like fantastic. I think I'm going to get some more stuff too. This is a hot box. Look at that. Matt Hasselbeck. Who called it? I said more stuff. Matt Hasselbeck. And a Matt Spake. 2 Matts in a row. You can't just get that on eBay. Only if you type in Matt. I'm hearing some.
Yeah, the game's switched back to TBS.
Look at that, Steve Breston. You better get it now on your fantasy teams. With Bolden out, that guy's catching passes like crazy.
Just hit the back button.
247.
Oh, look at that. They get 2 pylons right back to back. Do you see that? And another Byron Leftwich, dude. You can't find this anywhere. You can't.
Ask him.
Can you find it anywhere, Colton?
I'm sure in Jacksonville they have it somewhere.
They're all sold out. I just called them like 2 minutes ago. This could be the best box ever.
I know.
I think we're gonna get another auto in here. Uh-oh. Dave just picked him up. Ronnie Brown. Who got him? I got him. And in it with a LeRon Laundry. Fantastic!